Hello, friends. When you have that many watches dead and you're going to need to change the batteries in those watches, if you take it to a watchmaker, it will cost you an arm and a leg. With a little bit of technical knowledge and learning through the social media, I was able to do it at home. Uh, you need to buy a few things uh, that's going to be your good companion forever, like I have bought this from Amazon. This is just a basic standard toolkit and attachments to do small repairs on the watch. And if you're like old man like me, then buy this visor also. That's head visor that will help you with your vision because watch parts are very small. So you got to have a precise look at the watch, and in order not to damage it. So I bought these, they've been with me. And there's one more tool that is to seal some of the back bezel of the watches, just like the Skagen. They you cannot press and close it with hand. You have to have that tool. When we'll come to replace those the battery on this one, I'll show you the tool also. So I'm going to start with the first watch now, and I'll put these watches away. So the first watch that I'm going to do is Skagen. Skagen is that everybody knows is a Scandinavian Danish watch. Um, it's made in Denmark. A very good quality watch, very comfortable on the wrist, especially the mesh is very good. So you can open the bezel, the rear bezel, by you can use a knife. I prefer the Swiss knife because it's very good quality steel and it does not get damaged while you're working with it. So just be careful, not to hurt yourself, not to damage anything. So be gentle. This will come out. Gently remove it, put it aside, and there's your battery right in front of you. I've already ordered and got the batteries from Amazon, and so we'll see how it goes. So okay, now to pry it out, I use a small scriber. This you can get it from a dollar shop. This is normally comes with the floss and all that. It's very sharp, it's very sturdy. So there is a small lever there which is holding the battery there, so just be careful. It comes out of one way, so you got to pry it out gently. See that small lever that is holding, it's locking the battery in place. It is hard to show, but I can tell you, describe you what it is. So this is the battery that came out. So always when you remove the battery, put it aside, so not to mix it with the new batteries. So this is 3-to-1 for this particular watch. Let's take the battery out, cut that wrapper. And as I said, there's one way the battery comes out and the same way it goes back in. Don't try to push it from the top so it slides in from the side. See how it is? It slides in from the side. There you go. Yes. And then just push it back in there. And the lock is going to hold it in place, that small lever there. Just to make sure the watch is working. If it does not have a seconds needle, so just set it somewhere as a reference mark, and after a minute or two you'll notice that the hands are moving, and to make sure that the battery is working. Inspect the bezel and clean it. Also, it is a good idea to clean the seal with alcohol. So just take a cotton swab and dip it into industrial alcohol and to clean the surface and the seal gently. Remove any dust or debris or any foreign objects from it. See the black seal there on the bezel. Just to make sure once you seal it, it remains is water resistance. Clean the slot as well. See, now the hand has moved, so that means that the battery is working. We set it to 6, now it's a few minutes past 6. Now this is where the press comes in now, because you won't be able to seal it by pressing it just by hand like any other normal watch. So this set's I bought it from Amazon also. It's not very expensive. It comes with the different sizes of plates. That is for different sizes of bezels. You just select the right one, not to be pressing the body of the shop, so it presses the bezel in. So the lower one and the upper one. This is the press, very simple. One plate goes up there, the second goes down, thread it up, so it stays in place. So this was the one with the bottom one. See, this is the bottom one. So we're gonna install it on the bottom part of the press. So when you put your camera on the stand, it is very hard to see that you're going out of the frame or not. So it's easy to go out of the frame. Anyways, so and then to select the proper one for the watch face, so you don't break the glass while pressing. It stays on the steel portion and does not goes on the glass. So we'll put both together, and the press is ready now, bottom and the top portion. It's working. So the bezel has a small slot in it. I'll show you in a minute. That has to be aligned with the wind key shaft, so that you don't damage the shaft. See, there is your spindle. There is the slot over here. That slot has to be aligned with this. That one, yeah, this is the one. So it has to be aligned with the key. So once it's aligned, you put it in there and align it properly. Make sure it is straight and both ends are within the adapters, and then press gently. Okay, press gently and you will hear a click. You will hear a click, and that means that the bezel is all set. See, it's perfectly sealed. And well, one down, few more to go. I'll upload more videos just to make sure, just give it another squeeze. I'll upload as I change the batteries on other watches. For the time being, this is done. Just make sure the time is correct. This watch, I have it for like maybe 7 years now. So for the first battery, I took it to the shop, and then it cost me $65 Canadian dollars. And after that, I thought I'm gonna give it a shot and do it myself. So every 2.5, 3 years you need a battery. So these tools comes in handy. Okay, I guess the job is done and it looks good. And I'll see you in the next video.